Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope that all are you happy and well. So today I want to talk about one of my favorite things to make, crochet top and blouse. They are light, stylish and perfect for spring and summer. You can wear them every day or even make one as a gift of a friends. Weavers. And the best part, you can make them in your own size, your own style and your favorite colors. What you need before we begin, let me tell you what you need. Yarn, I like soft cotton yarn. It's good for warm weathers. A crochet hook, usually between 3 mm and 5 mm depending on your yarn. Spring tape, stitch markers, yarn and needles to finish your work. That's all simple tools for beautiful result. Types of crochet tops. There are many styles of crochet tops. Here are a few easy and popular ones. Crop top, short cut, perfect for summer. Tank top, no sleeve with strip over the shoulder. Halter top, tie around the neck. Mesh blouse has holes and look like knitting, very stylish. Granny square top made with many colorful squares together. Off shoulder top strips below your shoulders, fun and flirty. All of this can be made using easy stitches like double crochet and chains. If you are beginners, here is a simple way to make a top. Take your measurement around your chest. Make a fondant chain wide as your chest. Crochet, throw back and forth. The piece reaches your desired length. Make two panels, one for the front and one for the back. Inside shoulders together. That's your base top. You can top there or add sleeves or later. Here are a few easy stitches that